Hey there, my name's John Erickson, living and working here in Los Angeles, California. Plenty of fun facts. I'm going to pick the one that is also fun and had me play a role on set during the filming of a TV show. So, once upon a time, I used to work at the world's largest privately owned ecotourism resort located down in the Bahamas. It had 50 photovoltaic solar panels out in the field, composting toilets. There were no roads, no power lines. The only way to get there was by boat. And they had me as the adventure guide. So when this TV show through HGTV found out about it, they sent this talent couple down and a TV crew to film what it was like to be at this place. It's kind of like being a summer camp, like a sleepover camp for adults, but no air conditioning, no hair dryers. I mean, think about the nightmare that this production team had trying to film when really we were running off of solar power. And if it was a cloudy day, I'll tell you, we really didn't do a whole lot. But regardless, they had me as the adventure guide. Took the talent couple. We went snorkeling, hiking, sailing, scuba diving. We had a blast. But then behind the scenes, when they were filming other things, they had me as a producer and sort of a high-level PA because I was the only one who knew how to get around, drive the boats, figure out how to solve problems, fight fires, literally at times, and make sure nobody killed himself or got hurt seriously. Because there was plenty of action out there, whether it was sharks, barracuda, jagged limestone, shallow waters, crazy tides, currents. I mean, it was insane. Not to mention like drug running boats and helicopter chases and you name it. There's a lot of stuff that didn't make the final edit, but nonetheless, it was hilarious. The expectation of what they thought they were going to get and then what really happened was amusing. And since I'd been down there for a while, just sort of took it in stride and smiled a lot and then, said, okay, we'll see what we can do. And then tried to deliver, but more often than not, we had to compromise. So I know what that's all about too. Anyways, great time and a lot of fun. My colorist still hasn't reposted these stills. You don't think? Okay. I think that's everyone. Thanks again for coming. Let's jump into tomorrow's episode. We jumped the shark. Scott, you'll be reading for employee. Tyler, you'll be reading for customer. Producer, you'll be reading the stage directions. Okay. Open on Fujifilm store day. Customer approaches employee. We good? Let's get it done.
Okay, so we have to do pickups for the scene we shot in the desert. It was overcast and my DP... Oh, wait! You know Madison, right?
Mm-hmm.
She's the best. I mean, you're also amazing, not that I didn't think of you first or anything. You're still my go-to, but so is she.
Ugh, I can't believe I'm stuck listening to this more and blabber on and on. Oh, I should be with my crew, lounging, socializing, throwing some shade on the production. They didn't even tag me in their Instagram posts. They just caption new work. Who dis? Not that that matters. I'm just like, try to be professional. I'm just trying to make a living. Oh, yes, absolutely. Happy to talk about that at wrap. Apologies, but there's something urgent I have to chat with Samson about.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we have to do pickups for this scene we shot in the desert. It was overcast and my DP. Oh wait, you know Madison, right? She's the best. I mean, you're also amazing. Not that I didn't think of you first or anything. You're still my go-to, but so is she.
I can't believe I'm stuck listening to this moron blabber on and on. I should be with my crew, lounging, socializing, and throwing shade on production. They don't even tag me in their Instagram posts. They just caption, new work, who dis? No, not that matters. It's just be professional. I'm trying to make a living. Yes, absolutely. Happy to talk about this at wrap. Apologies, but there's something urgent I have to chat with Samson about.
Oh, Okay. So as I was saying, why did the chicken cross the road? That's a good one.